Hey guys, this is Mr. H. This is question 30 from the first quarter benchmark. Um, so this is saying solve this equation below algebraically, and they want the exact value of X. When you see the word exact value, basically what that means is they don't want decimals. They don't want repeating decimals. They want an exact, they want a fraction. So that whenever you see that word, that should make you kind of hyper focus and go, oh, I need to give them the a fraction. Now, first thing you should do, the way I want you to do this is I want you to take this equation and we're going to split it. We're going to put this in the left-hand side of the equation, and as a function, we're going to put the right-hand side in as a second function, and then we're just going to find where they intersect. So we're going to find the answer first, and then we're going to do the math to support it. So let's go. So very first thing I do, I need to get the calculator. It's here, and I'm going to enter the left-hand side. So it's going to be 6 minus the fraction 2/3. So 2 over 3, parentheses, x plus 5, close the parentheses. Then I press enter. So it's a line. And then I'm going to press tab, and then I'm going to enter 4x. So that's going to be a function. And basically here is the answer. So I'm going to do menu 6, 4, start on the left, pull it until I see the word intersection, and there we have it. So now I got to convert this number into a fraction. Now this is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to store it into X because I need to know what it looks like. All right, so I'm going to go here now. Going to bring this up, and I'm just going to put X in, press enter. Now, so here are all the decimals. You can see that it's a repeating decimal, and you can see it goes 571428, and then 571428, and then 57. So in order for me to, let me copy this. Oops, let me copy this, and then just press enter. Now, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to delete this, and I'm going to enter. So you can see 571428, that's 1, 574128, and then I'm going to do 571428. I'll do one more. 571428. Now that I've got this repeating, I'm just going to do menu 22. And then when I press enter, it tells me that the exact fraction will be 4/7. So now that I know the answer, I can write that down here. X equals 4/7. Now I'm going to do the algebra now. And so let me kind of go and kind of knock that out. So very first thing I want to do is I want to get rid of the parentheses by distribution. So this is going to be, if I do a negative 2/3 times X, this is going to be a negative 2/3 X. And then when I do a negative 2/3 times 5, that's going to be negative 10/3. And don't forget my 6 over here. So I'm putting 6 there. Actually, it should be this way. It should be 6 minus 10/3. So when I multiply a negative 2/3 times 5, I get a negative 10/3. And then over here, I'm going to have 4x. So now, remember, I'm going to take this box, move it over here, and so this is going to become a positive 2/3 x. And then 6 minus 10/3 is the same thing as 18/3 minus 10/3. So on this side, I'm just going to have a positive 8/3. Now, if you're not sure, just put this into your calculator. So 6 minus 10/3 is the same as 8/3. So my last step is I'm going to have 4 and 2/3 x over here. So divide both sides by 4 and 2/3. And that's going to give me 1x. And so let me go and show that. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to do a stack fraction, boom. And then I'm going to do another stack fraction. So this is going to be 8/3 divided by, and this is how I'm doing it on the bottom. There is no mixed fraction, so I'm going to do 4 plus 2/3. So that's going to be 2/3. So that's the same as 4 and 2/3. And then I press enter. And it tells me again that it is 4/7. So I already know the answer. So we just confirmed it. So if we go here, if we do this, this will be 2 points because we did everything we needed to do, and our answer is actually 4/7. Now, if you put this in as a decimal, like I think it was, what was the decimal? It was 571428. So if you put this here, 5.571428, right? You would get 1 point because this is not an exact value. This is a decimal with a repeating decimal. So that's not exact. Exact means a fraction, or so that's what you need to think of. Whenever you see this word exact, that means you need to make sure that you don't have a decimal, that it's a fraction. All right, I'm going to stop and I'm going to post this.